Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. In a high-speed blender, add the pineapple chunks, juice, coconut creme, rum, sugar and ice. Blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth yet still icy cold. Taste for sugar adjustment if needed. Pour into serving glasses and garnish with fresh pineapple.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can pina colada get you drunk? Though it may seem harmless because of the coconut and pineapple sweetness, it can actually get you drunk when consumed more than your body can handle. So drink responsibly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Malibu rum is a sweet, coconut-flavored Caribbean white rum. Malibu is either served neat, on the rocks or used in mixed drinks. Tropical banana is a distinctive twist on authentic Caribbean rum. Malibu brings together white rum with exotic fruits.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The difference between the two is similar to the difference between dairy milk and cream. They're made from the same ingredients, coconut, water, and sometimes guar gum for stabilizing. But coconut cream has a higher fat content than coconut milk, less water, more coconut, therefore it's thicker.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.